So K-map is known as a one technique where we can use it to simplify the given equations. So here there are the different ways you can write the K-map, like if you have a 2 variables, if you have 3 variables, and if you have 4 variables. So for every variables, the structure of K-map is different. Okay, the structure of K-map is different. So how to write the K-map for the 2 variable? So if you have the 2 variables like x and y, 3 variables means x, y and z. 4 variables is, okay, consider another is like p, q, r, s. Okay, any variable you can consider here. Now how to write this K-map? So this is the K-map is for the 2 variables. Okay, you can mention here the variable x and the variable y. This is the K-map for 2 variables. Now this is the K-map for the 3 variables. So you can write here variable like x, y and z. And this is the K-map is for the 4 variables. You can mention here variables. I will consider here A, B, C, D. Okay, you can consider any. Okay, so this is the K-map for 2 variable, K-map for 3 variable, K-map for the 4 variable. Now, how we can find the values for it? This is the important question. So for x, if you are considering the value of x, actually it has a 2 values, 0 or 1. Okay, so it means if you have a 1 variable, how many possibilities of values? 2, either 0 or 1. If you have the 2 variables, then you tell me how many possibilities of the values here? If the 2 variables are there, how many combinations you will get?
4.
Very good. 4. Which one? 0, 0, 0, 1.
0, 1.
Correct.
0, 1.
1 0
1 0 and 1 1. Very good. Means 4 combinations are there. If you have the 3 variables, how many combinations?
6.
8 combinations.
8 combinations. Yeah. And if you have 4 variables, then how many combinations? 16 combinations. Yes, you have to remember, if the 1 variable, 2 combinations. If the 2 variables, 4 combinations, 3, 8, and for 4 variables, it's a 16. So value of that variable is either 0 or 1. So here, if here is the x, okay, this is the variable. And here we are writing the values of x and the value of y. So value of x is either 0 or 1. So I can write here this way. Same way the value of y is either 0 or 1. Okay. So this is the variable. This is the K-map for the 2 variables as I told you. So you can see here combinations. Here I have to consider what? The variable x and y. So if I am putting here 1, this is your cell. We can call this is square as your K-map cells. We are putting the 1 or 0 into the K-map cell depends on whether the equation is in the form of SOP or POS. So we have already discussed that if the equation is in the form of POS, we are putting the 0 into the cells. And if the equation is in the form of SOP, then we are putting a 1 into the K-maps. So this is just an example. Even I have not considered here any of the equation. I am just telling you how to write, how to draw the K-map. Okay, I will take one example and then I will show you, will explain to you. You just remember the terminologies, how to find, how to write the K-map, how to enter the values. So if x value is there, okay, so value of x is 0, value of y is 0. So this is one combination. For this cell. If I am putting 1 here, what is its combination? The value of x is 0 and the value of y is 1. Same way, if I am putting 1 here, then you have to see what? You have to see if I am putting 1 or here, you have to look. This side also, row and the column, we can call. Row and the column. So, row के लिए x की value है 1 and for the column y की value है 0. If I am putting the 1 here, then what happens? You have to see its respective row and column. So, row के लिए x की value है 1 and y के लिए value है 1. So, this is your combination that we have already learned here. If the two variables are there, how many combinations? Yes, you will get here 4 combinations. Now, same way for x, y and z. So, we know that here we are getting what? 8 combinations. So, for this x, I can write here 0 or 1. The value of x is either 0 or 1. Now, the two variables are there. So, for two variables, you know the combinations. You know these combinations. So, I can write for yz as 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. Now, why? The question is like 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 चाहिए और फिर 1, 1 चाहिए ना? Like if we are taking the sequence. But this is not the case. The standard K-map is you have to write 0, 0, 0, 1, then 1, 1 is there and then 1, 0 is there. It's a compulsory. It's a standard K-map. कि ऐसा क्यों लिखते हैं? Okay. This is the standard way to write the K-map. So, what is its meaning? Means the value, this 0, 0, what it indicate? This is the variable y and this is the variable z. This is the variable y, this is the variable z. Same way. And this is the value for x, 0 or 1. यहाँ पे हमने दो variables लिखे ना. This is the K-map for the 3 variables. So, you want what? All the 3 variables should be there in the K-map. So, this will one variable x and the values are 0 or 1. And here we have a 2 variables y and z. So, for these combinations, I have to write its values here. Okay. So, this will indicate 0 means value of y. The 0 indicate value of z. Same way, this 1 means the first value is nothing but y and the second value is nothing but the value of z. Same way you have to consider it for 4 variables. So, what is the combination you tell me? If I am writing AB here and CD here. So, this is what? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. Same way 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So, this is again what? This is nothing but the value of AB. This is nothing but the value of AB, isn't it? And this is nothing but the value of CD. This is nothing but value of CD. Okay. Now, this is about only the representation, that how to draw the K-map for the variable, 3 variable and the 4 variable. Okay. Now, girls, understood you up to this? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No.
Okay. So, all
No,
of you
ma'am.
have drawn the K-map. The K-map for the 2 variable, 3 variable, 4 variables.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now you can see if I have equation is like AB plus AB bar plus A bar B. This is my A bar B. Okay. Now you tell me which K-map here I have to use. This is the first K-map. This is the second. This is the third one. Which K-map is required here? Simplify
Ma'am,
this
first
given.
one.
Why?
First,
Why?
2 variables.
Ma'am, there
Very
are 2 variables.
Very good. There are the 2 variables. So I have to use the K-map for 2 variables. Which variables are there?
A and
A
B.
and B.
Yes,
A and
correct.
B.
Very good. So I have to write here A and B. Now what is the value of A? Either 0 or 1. Same for the B, either 0 or 1. Now how to simplify it? How to simplify this equation? Now you tell me A B bar plus A bar B. Now this equation is in the form of SOP or POS?
SOP.
SOP, correct. Now, if this equation is in the form of SOP, then what is the value of A here in this case?
1.
1.
1, correct. And what is the value of B bar?
0.
0.
0, very good. What is the value of A bar?
0.
0 and 1. You know that. Now you can see where, and this is the equation in the form of SOP. So I have to enter 1 or 0 into K-map cell. See the difference? I have to put 1 or 0 into that K-map cell.
1.
1, very good, because I have already told you that in the SOP we are forming the group of adjacent ones, but in the POS we are forming the group of adjacent zeros. So this equation in the form of SOP, so you have to enter what? 1 into the K-map cell. Now the next question is where I have to enter 1, because in here only the 2 terms are there and total 4 cells are there. Now where I have to enter the 1, and that's why I have to see the values in that equation. हमने values तो find out किए. The value of A is 1 and the value of B is 0 for this term. So I have to see here where is the value of A? 1. So here is the value of A is 1. And the next is value of B should be 0. The value of B is here 0. So this and this, the row and this column you have to see. You have to enter what? 1 into the K-map cell. Okay. Now, what is the next terminology here? 0 and 1. So you have to see where is my 0? Value of it should be 0. So this is my row. And here the value of B is it should be 1. So this is the row. So here is the common place. Na? For that you have to see both the values A and B. And here I will write 1. So this is what we can enter a 1 into the K-map cells. Understood, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I will show you one more example. You tell me where I have to put the values of it. A, B, C bar plus A, B bar, C plus A bar, B bar, C bar plus A, B, C. Tell me what is the value here. First find out that values. Yes, for A.
110.
110, correct.
101.
101, very good.
001. 001.
Fine.
111.
Very good. 111. So values आपको पता है. अगर आपने इसकी डेसिमल नंबर्स फाइंड आउट किए तो यू टेल मी व्हाट इज द डेसिमल नंबर फॉर 110?
4.
No.
6.
Correct. 6. Next.
5.
5. Very good.
1.
1. Very good.
7.
7. So this is what? The mean terms for this equation. Now one thing I forgot to tell you here is, so if you look at this column, okay, where I am drawing, yes, x and y values, yes. So 0, 0 means iski value kya hai? If the value of here, the value is 0, 0, na? Because why 0, 0? Because the value of A is 0 and the value of B is 0. So 0, 0 matlab ke kya hai? Decimal number is 0. Yes or no? 0. Now next value of A is 0 and the value of B is 1. तो 0 1 मतलब डेसिमल है, 0 1 मतलब
1.
करेक्ट.
1.
तो ये 1 है. Otherwise I will draw here. Just give me 1 minute. 0 1 0 1. Yes, ये यहाँ पे दोनों की वैल्यू 0 0 है, मतलब डेसिमल नंबर क्या है 0. यहाँ पे 0 1. सो 0 1 मतलब डेसिमल क्या है
1.
1. यहाँ पे है 1 0 मतलब डेसिमल क्या है 1 0 2. वेरी गुड. और यहाँ पे क्या है 1 1 मतलब डेसिमल क्या है
3.
3. नाउ यू कैन सी 1 0 मतलब क्या है आप 0 मतलब यू कैन सी हियर 1 0 मतलब डेसिमल क्या है
2.
अगर आपने इसमें भी इसका डेसिमल निकाला तो आपको मीन टर्म्स क्या मिलेंगे y इज इक्वल टू समेशन m इन ब्रैकेट 2 0 1 के लिए 1. करेक्ट. तो ये आपको डेसिमल नंबर्स मिले ना 2 1. तो 2 मतलब आप देखो यहाँ पे 2 मतलब ये प्लेस है ना आपकी 2 और 1 मतलब ये है. तो उसी डेसिमल जगह पे I have entered 1 here in the K-map cell. You can this one I have entered na. Yes or no? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
See,
Yes, ma'am.
you can do it accordingly which you understood or which you understood very well. It is not compulsory that this is the if you are looking directly to that terms and if you are putting the values, fine, no any problem. If you are finding the binary of it and then you are observing where is the value of A is 0, the value of B is 0, and then you have to put a 1 into the cell, that is also correct. But if you know the decimal numbers places into that K-map, then you have to another way to simplify you have to find the mean terms or here, and once you know that mean terms, then you can directly directly enter a 1 into the K-map cell. So here this is the 2 place, this is the second decimal number, and this is the decimal number of 1. So in that places you have to put a 1 into the K-map cell. So that I have done here in this K-map. Okay, so if you observe for this K-map, if you observe this K-map, see the K-map for the 3 variables. All of you see the K-map for the 3 variables. See, look at. Now you can tell me, this is what 0 0 0. तो ये डेसिमल क्या बनेगा? You tell me 0 0 0. मतलब ये डेसिमल क्या मिलेगा? 1. Sorry 0. Correct. It's 0. Correct. 0 0 1. तो ये डेसिमल क्या मिला? 1. Then x is 0, y and z is 1 1. तो ये डेसिमल क्या मिला?
3.
Correct. 0 1 3 2 4 5 6 7. ठीक है, these are the decimal places. These are the decimal places. Now once you know that decimal places, we have already find here decimal places in this example. Yes, in this example you can see this example. So summation m 6517. So in that places I can directly enter 0 into the K-map cells. So this way also you can do. Otherwise you can see 1 1 and 0 is there. For A it's 1, for B it's 1, for C it is 0. So here you change this variable. Here is the A, B, C. Okay, now 1 1 0 is there. So you have to search for A, the value should be 1, and for B and C the value should be 1 and 0. So यहाँ पे 1 मिलेगा आपको and 1 and 0 यहाँ पे मिलेगा. तो you have to look this row and this column, and here you are putting a 1 into the K-map cell. 1 0 1 ऐसे भी आप कर सकते हो. यहाँ पे 1 चाहिए and इसकी वैल्यू 0 1 चाहिए. तो ये रो और ये कॉलम देखोगे, यहाँ पे 1 पुटअप करोगे। तो इस सॉल्व कर सकते हो या इस तरह से भी सॉल्व कर सकते हो। बोथ द मेथड्स आर करेक्ट। एनी प्रॉब्लम हियर इन दिस एग्जांपल?
No, ma'am.
Understood everyone? Some students are not replying. I want reply from everyone. All of you understood?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, very good, very good. So this is the one method I have just shown you, that how to put 1 into the K-map cells. Okay. Now I will take another file here. Now you can see for variables. Okay. For 4 variables, this is my K-map. This is the K-map for 4 variables. Now, it's not a compulsory that you have to put A or here or into that respective places. So suppose I am writing here A, B, C, D here. I am writing A, B or here, and then here is the C, D. You can write the variables in any sequence, but you have to take care that whenever you are entering the 1 into the K-map cells, it should follow that sequence. It should follow that sequence. So what happens? Suppose you are writing the variable sequence like A, B, C, D. Okay. But you are following this sequence. But if you are entering the sequence like A, C, D, B like this way, then what happens? 0. If you are writing 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Or let's take some, yeah, 0, 1, 0, 1. But whenever you are using or putting these values or here, the value get changed. Value of 0. The value of B is 1 here. Na? Then the value of C is again 1 and the value of D is 0. So this is the binary number of 6 and this is the binary number of 5. So means what? You are changing the value. If you are changing the value, and according to that, if you are putting the 1 into the cells, and once you are forming the group and then you are simplifying the equation, whatever the equation you will get, it is wrong. It is wrong. So you have to take care that which sequence you are following. According to that sequence only, you have to enter the 1 into the K-map cell. This precaution you have to take. Okay. So better way, my suggestion is follow this A, B, C, D like this way or A, B, C, D like this way. But if you are using both the cells, okay, this K-map is also correct. This is also correct. But decimal values, if you are considering, then these are different, like 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, same sequence 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Now you can find the decimal number. 0, 0 मतलब इसका डेसिमल क्या है? 1, करेक्ट? 0, 0, 0, 1 के लिए डेसिमल है 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, sorry, 0, 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Is it a correct decimal numbers? You can check, girls. You observe, here is the 1, 1, here is the 1, 1. So see here, this is row and this is the column. So 1, 1, 1, 1, it is binary number of 15. So 15 is there. 1, 0, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0 0. ये किसका बाइनरी है? 8 का. So that's why I have put it here 8 because this is the decimal cell. Decimal numbers I am putting. Hello, am I audible, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
You understood these decimal numbers? You understood how I
Yes,
have?
ma'am.
Yeah. But if you are following this sequence A, B, C, D आपने ऐसे लिखा तो 0 0 ये 0 ही होगा डेसिमल. 1 कहाँ पे मिलेगा? Tell me where you are getting 1, here or here in this second column or in the second row? Where I have to write 1? In second column or hello?
Below 0.
Yeah, correct. For that you have to see, as I told you, use this sequence ना A, B, C, D. अभी आप ये follow कर रहे हैं. So 0, 0, 0, 0 सभी value zeros है. So I have put it here 0. Now you can see ना value of AB is 0, 0. And here value of CD is 0, 1. तो ये किसका बाइनरी है? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1 का. So I have to write one decimal here. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. सॉरी यहाँ पे आई हैव 1 1 चाहिए ना 1 1 1 0. It's my mistake. I'm sorry because this is the standard sequence. Yes. Now you can see. You understood how I have the way I have written that decimal numbers into the K-map cell.
Yes, ma'am.
So these places are fixed. What I am telling to you, these decimal places are fixed. But you have to remember, if you are writing AB here, then this decimal number sequence you are getting. And if you are writing AB here, then sequence you are getting. Now, whenever actually you are solving or simplifying the equations, that time if you are using this K-map or this K-map, both will, choice is yours, okay, but both will gives you the same result, because you can simplify any of the example, you can apply your own logic. Yes, you are now becoming what? An engineer. Okay, some of you are very good in the or in the coding. Doesn't matter the which language you are using. Okay,